Director of Islamic International Medical College Trust, Mr. Asadullah Khan Saab, respected dignitaries, guests, and very dear media, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I am standing here on behalf of our Chancellor and Managing Trustee to welcome our very Honorable Federal Minister for Railways for honoring us. It's indeed my proud privilege. On this auspicious, groundbreaking ceremony of multiple projects of medical care. Sir, I am grateful to you for taking out time from your very pressing commitments. I know every second matters for you. Sir, as you know, knowledge and technology, they are moving very fast, and it is not easy for the medical care providers to keep pace with all this. And to provide medical education and medical care is a big challenge. Islamic International Medical College under Islamic International Medical College Trust almost a quarter of a century ago was started by a great man, pioneer in cardiology in the country, late General Zulfikar Ali Khan. After his retirement from the Armed Forces Institute of Cardiology and National Institute of Heart Diseases, he was my commandant for 11 years. Knowing him, his only mission was for Rizai Ilahi. And till now, that our Chancellor and MT, his son, is carrying out that mission. But all this was not possible without the support of Pakistan Railways. And we are extremely grateful to Pakistan Railways for providing this opportunity to us to train the medical students and provide medical care to the patients by giving us this hospital on lease. But with this lease came a big responsibility on our shoulders to provide the best of care to the patients and best of medical education to the students. And by the grace of Allah, our medical education system is according to the modern lines. Very few institutes in this country practice that method of teaching, and we are one of the pioneers in that. Sir, you have always been very forthcoming in moving us forward and helping us out. In your previous stint too, you wanted the progress, and I hope we came up to your expectations. And now once again, our Chancellor and Executive Director had a meeting with you last time, I think few months ago. It was your desire and our desire too to advance the services further. And sir, under your direction, under your leadership today, this dream is coming true, and a mega project in Pakistan Railways is about to start, worth 400 million, that is 40 crore. And this is a new block which is going to have 2 wards, an intensive care physiotherapy department, a radiology department, and an outpatients department. But with it, we are also improving all other services, adding dialysis as well. So this major undertaking has been due to the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Minister, our Chancellor and Managing Trustee, and our Executive Director and his team, and the team of Pakistan Railways in this hospital. Each and every person of this place, they are part of it, and it is due to them that we are moving forward. Not with much ado, I would try to make it short in the times of Corona. I hope and pray that this menace, we get rid of it soon. Sir, once again I would like to thank you and all the honorable guests for honoring us and finding time